What's up, guys? It's March 19th, 2024. Pretty nice day for the Bulls. Bears had a failed gap down, and then yeah, pretty bullish all day. 3 major legs. We'll talk about the first 6 bars of the day, the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and where we are in the market cycle. Here we go. What am I doing? So have a gap down, and then Bears get there. Leg 1, bar 1 is continuation, so that is good for the Bears, but it's kind of a range bar. They close at the 50% level. Then bar 2 closes bearish, but doesn't break a new low. Bar 3 becomes a failed breakout. That was a bad circle. Bar 3 becomes a failed breakout. Bar 4, bullish pressure trying to stack up. It's a range bar. Bar 5 is another bullish close, but it's a range bar. Bar 6, the body's getting bigger. And it's still a range bar. Lots of wicks, lots of sellers up here, or maybe bulls are scalping out. Maybe there's sell orders here, but there's selling pressure above these bars. That's 5 bull bars in a row. I think this is a form of a leg 2 for the Bears from here. Leg 1, pullback, leg 2. Really deep pullback, so that's not good for the Bears. Bar 8, 9, and 10 are bearish. Is selling pressure, and it tests the lows from the morning. The bar 3 low. Bar 12 is looks like a bullish leg here. It raced up, it tested the high, and then sold back down, but it didn't make a new low. Bears are failing to make a new low. It looks like support's trying to get put in. Bar 13 is a good bull bar. It could be a double bottom here, or it could be a bear flag here. But Bears are not making new lows. It could be a leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3, leg 1, pullback leg 2, and it fails at the low. Bar 13 is a good bull bar, double bottom. And bar 14 looks like bulls want to break out above the EMA. 15 and 16, they do that. They start closing above the EMA. Excuse me. Bar 17 and 18 looks like a first pullback, so leg 1, leg 2, and leg 3 maybe. It ends up just being a bull flag. This low is higher than that low, so that's kind of a higher low. Bar 24, bulls start to break out above or break back into yesterday's low. This red line is yesterday's low, 50%, yesterday's high. And then bar 25 is a breakout bar, testing the gap. I actually got trapped going short here, thinking bulls were failing, but I got out pretty quick, and I realized that we were breaking out above the higher time frame EMA. There's the EMA is kind of pulling upwards, so there's a little bit more bullish pressure. And yeah, I came to the EMA. I got stopped out around here, broke out, and then bulls. I think the market cycle kind of reset because this is a range. Strong bar above the range. Yeah, there's a range here, and then bar 34 breaks out, and bar 35 is good follow through. Testing yesterday is kind of like this range high. It's the 50% level. Bar 36 is the first pullback after a strong breakout. This is the channel phase, and they get their leg 2, and then we start to range. Market ranges for a while, honestly, more than half the day, or I guess like 2 hours, or I guess we could just measure it. Market ranges for about 3 hours, and we kind of trended for about 2 hours. That's cool. So yeah, there's a range here. It's kind of expanding. It looks like Bears are trying to test around here. They market bar 70 test bar 38's breakout level. I'm trying to get more like in depth with these breakdowns when I'm doing the bar by bar analysis. It's tough, low key. Okay, so bulls get, where are we? Okay, here, so pullback, and then they go for a leg 1. It's kind of range bound, so it's hard to count legs, but here's a pullback testing the highs. I called it a pullback, I mean a bull leg, testing the highs, and then Bears get a micro leg 1, pullback leg 2 to the EMA, and then I saw this bull leg 1, pullback, oops, leg 1, pullback leg 2. I got trapped right here. I got out here-ish, and then Bears get a tight channel down. This kind of looks like a wedge bottom to me. Leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Creates a double bottom, and then bar 74 breaks out above the EMA, and bulls get kind of 2 legs from here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. And now they're stalling above yesterday's high, or maybe failing. We can just give it a quick check. What's this next bar looking like? Okay, yeah, so it's like around yesterday's high. That's an outside bar, I guess, on the daily chart. So all the leg 1, leg 2 moves. This is a range bound they break out. So look, 2R was met around bar 37 of the morning range. Start the leg 1, leg 2 move from here. Leg 1, pull back leg 2. That's met with 26. Because this is a range, that's why I'm not doing it. And I talked about like, okay, here, leg 1, pull back leg 2. If you take it from the top of bar 8, it's met barely by bar 11. So yeah, here we are. We got that breakout. This is strong enough, I think, for its own leg, and that's strong. That's met. I mean, I was in this trade here. I thought this was strong for its own leg, and that was met around here. And then bulls get their pull back into the EMA. This is kind of 2 legs down. Hard to trade. But there it is. Look, it's met to the pullback, or you can, I mean, I don't know how you do that, but you go from the close of 43. That's met. And this is here, a micro channel to the highs, and then they get another 2 legs down, bears. That's met. And then maybe you see how this leg kind of didn't get its own second leg. So there, that can be, this leg in total can be this bar second leg, and a complex second leg right here. Complex second leg right there. And then maybe this is 3 legs down from here to here. And look, that's crazy. From the top of 65 to the bottom of 66. Pull back here is met on bar 70. And here another breakout, and that's met. Did they get, I don't think they got a measured move of 76, but just, oh my gosh, they did. So if you do the body, the 76, wait, let me get that to the low. So it's meant if you do the body, it's not meant if you do the wicks. So that's pretty good. That's the leg 1, leg 2 moves, and leg 3s. Where are we in the market cycle? Overall, we're kind of in a channel. Looks like we bounced off the trend line. That's pretty tight. It's looking like a double bottom. Let's see if we get bulls, if bulls can get followed through at highs. This is sideways price action right here, kind of like a flag sideways. We'll see what happens if we keep going sideways, or do bulls get continuation, or like that. There's FOMC tomorrow. Maybe that can do something. That'll be interesting to see. 45-minute chart. Kind of looks like that bull flag I was just talking about. From here, bull flag, and a deep pull back into the EMA. We kind of bounced off it here and here, but now we're trading at highs. Last 2 times we were here, it sold. So EMA is pretty back and forth. But we've been trending above the EMA for quite some time. Every bear bar is bought. Here we pulled back, the bottom broke out, pulled back. So yeah, it's cool to see what happens. We're in the channel phase on the bigger time frame. Here on the smaller time frame is a range, and then we break out, so the market cycle resets. First pullback, so now we're in channel phase, and then you could even say the market cycle reset here, range, breakout. That's like a fractal market cycle, or you could say this is the complete channel phase, and then this is the range phase. So yeah, there's lots of ways to see it. Try to keep these videos around 10 minutes. Hope you guys have been studying and, you know, using your stop loss. Whew. I traded a little bit today. It was fun. I haven't traded in a while, so I'm definitely happy to start trading again. I'm going to be taking it super slow. It is what it is. Yeah, use your stop loss. I appreciate all the support and all the new followers. I trade price action. I'm still studying. I am on a challenge account again because I want to try a new. I'm going to try and do go for 1-to-1 targets only on this account, and it actually went pretty well today. So Apex is still doing their 1-day pass, so hopefully I can just get that done. But we'll see. I'm not going to rush it. I'm going to go pretty slow. I still have a lot of live videos to post, so it'll be cool. It'll be like like 2 weeks of whatever. So have a good one, guys. Closing up 10 minutes here. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.